Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change language in your Nokia 3.1 Plus. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you need to your device jump like this quick notification area and then click here setting icon. After click on setting icon, you scroll all the way down and then you will find here something called system. So you need to click over there and then upper side you will find here language and simply click that and the first one you will see languages. Here you can easily click add language and you can easily choose your preferred language. So I'm going to choose this one and you can see I had edit Arabic and English. So if you want to change your phone to Arabic, you can easily bring these things, just swipe up and your phone going to be automatically change it to Arabic. If you want to return back English, you can easily bring this and just bring it upward and it's going to be automatically changed to your phone English. Also, you can easily click add language and you can easily choose any of language if you want. So in this way, you can easily add languages in your Nokia 3.1 Plus. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.